Okay, Assalamualaikum and a good day. Okay, I hope you already watched my first video if selection. Now I will continue for the next selection if else, but basically if else is only two options, if and else. For example here, still same example here from previous video. X equal to from enter number 1 to enter number. Basically, if we enter positive number, automatically we apply this if statement. But if we enter negative number less than 0, that means automatically we will display this statement. X is a negative number. If you notice here, if we have this if and else, we only put the condition in if, but for the else here, don't need to put condition because we only have two options. If not fulfill this requirement, automatically will go to else. Okay, for example here for else, we want to display the number is a negative number. Okay, I will show you the output. Okay, for example, I will insert this number -4. Okay, and then automatically -4 is a negative number. So in this case we only have two options, either positive or negative number. Okay, that's all. Thank you.